Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I have changed my setup. Let me know down in the comments below if you like just the plain white background or if you prefer seeing my makeup set behind me with my shelves. I thought I'd just change it up a little bit because, you know, I have all this display and I spend a lot of money on making it look nice, which is nice for me, but also I should show it off in my videos. So if you like it like this, then let me know down below. But I've just been shopping, which is why my hair's a little bit wet, a bit curly. You've probably not seen it like this before. But yeah, I just thought I've just done a really quick little shopping trip in Primark. Literally got just a couple of bits, but I thought I'd come on and share it with you because why not? So if you want to see what I got from Primark, and carry on watching. So here is my bag of things. So as you can see, it's only a little bag. I just got like a few essentials that I needed. Not essentials. Some just bits basically. So we're just going to go through them and see what we got basically. So the first thing are these cotton pads. Now I go through these quite a lot because I do a lot of skincare, obviously twice a day, yeah, just twice a day. So I've got these cotton pads. They're only 50p, which is really cheap. I only got one pack because I don't need any more than that at the moment because I've got some backup already, but I just thought I'd buy some more. So we have that. I'm just going to throw it on the floor after. We've got a set of scrunchies which I have already opened because I wore one on the way home because my hair was a mess and I was just getting, you know, Primark. I live in Plymouth, and the one in there, if you live in Plymouth, you will know it just gets so hot so quick. I don't know if oh my god. I don't know if the other Primarks are like that, but this one gets so hot. You walk in and it's just like, and I thought it would be like a bit cooler because there's less people in there, but no, it was boiling, so I was really hot, so I just shoved my hair up. So I've opened this one already, but this is just a pack of 3 scrunchies. I can't remember how much they were, like probably like £2–3. But yeah, these are just really cute. They're like velcro, like velvety material, and I just thought, yeah, good. So next, sticking on the theme of hair, I'm just going to keep that there, and I need a drink. Out of the fridge, lovely. I got this headband. It was £2.50. I thought it was kind of cute. It's orange and white checkered. Checkered? Is it checkered or checked? Is it even checkered? I think it's checkered anyway, I'm not sure, but it's this headband. I thought it was kind of cute. It might be a bit too big for my head, to be honest. It looks kind of massive. Not that cute, but I like to just wear headbands when I'm doing makeup videos, makeup tutorials, or just doing my makeup in general. I always shove my hair back, and it's just good to use a headband, so I just thought I'd get a new one just because I have like 4, but they're just getting a bit gross with, obviously when I'm always putting makeup on with them on, it gets on the headband a little bit, so I just thought I'd buy a new one. And £2.50 is so cheap, so why not? So what else did we get? Oh yeah, I got some pajamas. I basically have like a silk pajama like this. Basically it's like a little night dress, but it's silky and it just feels so nice. I've got like a red lace one and I wear it all the time just because it feels so nice and it's like airy, and because of the silk it's like nice and cooling. So I thought I'd get another one, so I just got this one. I don't know if it was like a bit granny-ish, but I kind of like it. I think it's cute with the pink polka dots. It's got the lace here and then it's just got the lace on the bottom as well. It just feels really nice. I love the feeling of silk bedding, silk, literally anything I love. So yeah, I thought this was kind of cute, and this was £7, so I think that's so cheap for that. I was going to buy 2, I did pick up 2, but then I went in with my dad and my sister, because basically we're doing like a come dine with me with my mum, my dad, my sister. My sister's only 13, so she's like teamed up with my dad, me and my partner. So my boyfriend was the first one who did it, and then, no, my dad and my sister were the first ones who did it, then my boyfriend, and then it's my mum's night tonight, and then it's my night next week, so I'm last. So for my mum's night tonight, she's cooking now. It's, what is it now? Well, it's 3 o'clock now, but we went in town about 1 o'clock, so she's been cooking since then, and my dad was like, I need to get out, she's stressed. I was like, okay, let's go for a bit of a shopping trip, so that's why we went. But my dad was like hassling, saying, come on, it's too hot. So yeah, I had to be a rush really, so I didn't get as much as I wanted to, but it's kind of good because it's my boyfriend's birthday at the end of the month as well, so kind of need to be saving my money, but I am going IKEA tomorrow as well, so yeah. Anyway, enough of my life story. This is this pyjama set, really cute, and yeah, only £7, which is so cheap, because usually I swear they're more expensive than that, so I kind of wish I did get to. The next one, again, pyjamas. I didn't even get to look at this properly, so I don't even know, but this is in size small, and I'm not small, so I don't know. But anyway, this was the £6, which again, I can't remember it being that cheap, but it's just this little cute thing. It's kind of like, reminds me of mum, which is not good, but it's just this little piglet one. I have one of these in Dumbo, and it's just a cute little night dress. It's quite short, which is why I got the small, because I don't like them being too long, because they just annoy me, and I don't like it like long around the neck either. But yeah, I just bought this because I thought it was cute, and I just needed some, you know, with like quarantine at the moment, I'm just chilling. I literally don't wear clothes ever. I always just wear pyjamas or like long tops like this. Like now I'm only just wearing this long top, and it's just so comfortable. I don't know what it's going to be like when I actually have to go back to work and actually wear clothes. I'm going to be fuming. But yeah, so I got this one, which is kind of cute, and that was £6, I think I said. To be honest, there's not really much left already, but I got some underwear. If any blokes are listening, you're probably not going to be interested in this, to be honest, but I got some underwear. This is the underwear that I always wear. It's like this lace material. I don't know if it's like any good for you. I guess it's kind of cotton, I think so. But this is just, it's so stretchy and it's so comfortable. They come in so many different colours, and they're literally £1 each, so I always grab a bunch of these because they're just so comfortable for me. I really like them. So I got the green ones, and I got this 3-pack. So this is obviously £3 because they're £1 each. So I got yellow, turquoise, and like a deep blue, and then I also got this one, which is like pink sparkly with like hearts or whatever that is on it, but just thought they're a bit different. I mean, I've got loads of them in different colours. I've got like pink, black, white, like red. I've got about 3 red ones, pink and that, so I just thought I'd pick up a few more that I haven't got the colours of. It's really hard to find your size in there either, because they're either extra large or extra small, which I'm not any of them, so yeah, it's hard to just find a normal medium one, but I found them in the end. And we've only got 3 things left, to be honest. We've got these hair clips, which I've been meaning to buy some clips for a long time, just for mainly my videos really. When I'm filming my videos, I like to look a bit different every time. I don't like it to just be boring, to just shove my hair, like, you know, I wear straight hair all the time, it's just a bit boring, so I like to mix it up a bit if I can. That's why I buy like headbands and stuff like that. But I bought these 2 clips, they're the pearl ones, and this is just white pearls, this is like pink, like rose goldy kind of pearls. I just thought they'd look cute, you know. I've never actually wore ones like this before. Oh my god, this is not easy. Okay. But you know, just like pop it on here maybe. Boom. I mean, it's actually huge. That is massive. But a bit jazzy in it. Bit something different. So, and then we've got the pink one as well. This one might be a bit better because, oh right, the sellotape on the back. So that one coming off. This one might be a bit better because it's a bit smaller. That's actually massive. Ow. I'm just going to stick that back on there for now. And then the last 2 things that I bought were some earrings, because again, in videos I like to wear a few different earrings. I've currently got these in, which are like 2 little hoops and just like a stud basically. I bought these from Asda, I think. Yeah, Asda. I was food shopping the other day, and it's the first time actually we've been food shopping that I went on my own. Obviously I used to live on my own, so I used to go all the time on my own, but since we've lived here we always go together, but he really couldn't be bothered, and I was just like, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna have a bit of time, and I spent 2 hours there in Asda. But I went for a massive food shop, and I was just going through like the clothing aisles and stuff, just having a browse, and I found these earrings, and I just thought, yeah, I wanted some like little hoops. I want them all hoops, but then I put them in and I was like, that is not okay. So I've just got 2 for a minute and a stud here, but it's just nice to get some like little danglies when I'm doing like filming, or if I go out, obviously not now, but when we go out for like a nice meal or go on a night out or something like that, which I don't do very often, to be honest. Yeah, just to get some different earrings. So I got these ones. These are £1.50, so I thought it was really cheap, so I thought, why not? And these are just like little dangly, I don't really know what they are, it's just like a square and a circle, but they're just, I thought they'd be quite cute, to be honest. So I got these. And I just got another pair of earrings, which are these. I've got a lot of gold dangly ones, but not many silver, so I was trying to find some and I couldn't really find many, but I found these. They feel really heavy, which is like my only concern. But these were £2 and they're just like little diamond hoop with a like thicker hoop on the bottom, but it just feels honestly so heavy. I'm kind of like not sure if I want them now, but I'll give them a go anyway. I thought they'd just look cute in a video or something, you know, or when I'm going out. It's just, I think earrings just make a big difference to your look. But that's literally it. It's just a tiny haul. That's what I got, but I am planning next month to go on a big shopping trip to Primark with my friend who also has a YouTube channel, so we're both going to go for a big shopping trip and do a big haul. But now this is just like a little one, just to give you a bit of something for the meantime. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have bought anything recently from Primark, I mean, I haven't been shopping since this whole quarantine thing. This is the first time, so I just thought I'll just go out for a bit, get a bit of air. And yeah, so if you've been shopping in Primark since all this has happened, let me know down in the comments below if you've got any of them things, or if you recommend buying anything from there, because obviously I'm gonna go on a shopping trip next month, so let me know and I will definitely check out some of the stuff that you recommend if you do in the comments, and hit the bell icon for notifications for when I upload new videos in the future, and I shall see you in the next one.